In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a phone number in Yahoo Mail. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top right and click on your profile icon and then go to manage your account. This is going to open up your account management settings, and you have to go to security over here on the left, and then you want to click on add a phone number under add more ways of signing in. So when you click on that, it's going to prompt you to actually select your country code and then to type in your phone number as well. And when you do so, hit the next button, and you're going to have to select how you want to receive the verification code onto your phone number. So usually there's two options. The first one is simple SMS or a text message. The second one is going to be WhatsApp. So pick the one that you want, click on it, and then you'll receive your verification code, which is usually just like a few numbers inside a code, onto your either WhatsApp or text message, and then you're going to have to type it in over here, confirm it, and that's going to add your phone number into your Yahoo Mail. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.